Hey guys, this is a video in my graphing calculator tutorial series. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to clear matrices from your calculator. Without further ado, let's get to it. So if I go to the matrix menu by pressing second and the X and -1 button, you see that I have inputs for matrices A, B, C, and D. If I want to clear those, any of those or all of those, what I have to do is press second and the plus button that selects your memory. Now I'm going to select memory management / delete. Just press number 2 on the number pad. That brings this up, and I'm going to select matrix, which is 5. So press 5. Now you'll see that there is a little arrow here. I can use these arrows to move that arrow up and down, and whatever matrix this arrow is next to, if I press delete, for example, this arrow is next to matrix A right now. If I press delete, it will delete that matrix. So just make sure the arrows are where you want the matrix to be deleted. So I'm going to go ahead and delete all of them. So delete, delete, and delete. So all of them are deleted, and then press second mode to quit. Let's go back to the matrix menu, second, X and -1, and you'll see that none of these matrices have any more inputs. I hope this video was helpful. In future videos we'll cover more features. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Check out other videos on my channel, especially the graphing and scientific calculator tutorial series. Also check out the differential equations with linear algebra series. And until next time, take care guys.